Hi, this is Mrs. Grog, and this is a short instructional video on how to use Schoology in my classes. So, first thing you're going to notice is at the top of the page, you're going to see our class, which is Algebra 1, Period 2. So, as you look down, you will see this announcement section. This section is where we have our daily Zoom meeting link. So, for our remote learners, this is probably the easiest way to find it. You'll click on that and it will take you right there. So as we move down, you will see that we have a welcome folder. Now, for this welcome folder, you have two ways to open it. You could click where it says welcome, and everything will be listed. Or if you click on the arrow, you get a drop-down option. So within the welcome folder, you will see our syllabus, which we'll talk about the first day of school. Here's another spot to find the daily Zoom meeting link, some keystone information, some academic misconduct statement, Zoom online expectations, IXL instructions and grading, a calculator contract if you need to borrow a calculator, and then a Google form for your parents or guardians to fill out. So this is all kind of first day stuff, and this welcome folder will be open the entire semester, so you can always come back to that. As we move down, you will see that there is the daily Zoom meeting link here as well. So I have it everywhere. So if you don't want to use it in the announcements, you can go down here and you can click, and that will take you there too. So for the remote learners, it's actually in 3 spots: in the announcement, in the welcome folder, and here on this page. Now, the important stuff is going to be listed by day. So when we have our assignments, so either if you're in school or at home, you're going to click on that day, that folder, and you're going to have a list. So you're going to have your agenda for the day, what we're going to be doing in class that day, and then you're going to have those items that we're going to be working on. So everything is going to be located in one spot. So you do not have to go clicking through multiple folders. So again, looking at your page, you're going to have, the welcome folder, your daily Zoom meeting link, and then you're going to see the date for whatever class, whatever day we're working on. That's going to be where all your information is. Now, as we move over here to the right side at this upcoming calendar, this is a good spot to take a look at, and this will give you our due dates for things. So you can see right now we have 3 items for the first day of school, and they're due by 11:59 that evening. So our due dates are flexible. We like to have due dates to kind of give the students an idea, okay, this should be done by this date, but we will work with you on those dates. Up top here, you will notice, and again, my version's a little different because I'm on the teacher end, but here is a envelope type looking thing, letter. This is a way for you to get a hold of me. You can click that, you can send me a message. So if you forget my email, this is always probably an easier option, and I can get back to you. This automatically gets sent to my email. Okay, so over on the left side, we're in the Materials tab, which is where all of our good stuff is going to be located. The updates, you will see anything that is located up top, but usually I make it important so it shows up top there. And then there's Gradebook, which I'm not going to click on because I don't want everybody's names to pop up. But for the Gradebook, if you click on that, once we get started and have graded assignments, this is a great way for you and for your parents or guardians to check to see if you are missing anything, to make sure you've turned things in, just to kind of keep tabs on yourself. Unfortunately, Schoology and Skyward don't always sync up all the time right away. So this is a great way to check to make sure things are turned in by looking at the Gradebook option. So all of these are going to be discussed in class, but I just wanted to have this as an extra resource. So just to kind of recap, up top you'll have that daily Zoom meeting link, and it's also here for the remote learners. And then for remote and for in-person, you will have a folder for each day which will list the agenda and the assignments or assessments or whatever activities we are doing in class that day. And those submissions can be made right there. That's all I got. Thanks.